Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought it'd be really fun to plan out the week of December 19th, also known as the week of Christmas, in my Hobonichi cousin. Okay, so I've got the last of my Hobonichi cousin Christmas kits here. I've done really good with my goal of only purchasing exactly what I needed for the holidays. So the kit I have is Merry Everything from Once More with Love, and then I'm probably going to add in a little bit of decor from Let's Plan It with these script lettering stickers, which you've probably seen me use a lot in my daily view. Okay, so I don't think these come with date covers, but they have got like the cutest little like wreath accent things. I might be putting them in the wrong spot. Let me grab my tweezers. Probably should have started with my sidebar, but I got like super excited. I really love this kit. It is like all the things, like just adorable and festive, and I love it. I feel like I am like almost ready for Christmas. I'm scrambling, not gonna lie. I am like, I had what, a week and a half, actually almost 2 weeks, where I really couldn't do any like actual like physical in-store shopping, even though nowadays we're more into the online shopping, but there were things that I needed to go get in person, and that was delayed. We didn't even get around to doing Christmas cards this year. I don't even know how I feel about that. Like, I've also kind of noticed that people just aren't sending Christmas cards as much. So I've been trying to feel a little less guilty about all that. I don't even know if these are straight, but they kind of look straight. I am so excited because I'm really hoping that one of my next videos in my Hobonichi cousin will be to set up my new Hobonichi cousin for 2023. So definitely stay tuned for that. I'm ready to jump into it, and I just realized, like, hey, haven't really stopped planning in this one or started planning and setting up the new one. So I've kind of been like, oh, I need to get it together. That's what I need to do. All right, so for the sidebar, I think what I'm going to do is do the Merry Everything sticker over the month view. These kits are slightly different than the Coffee Monsters Co. kits. Not that there's anything wrong with either one, but there's definitely a difference there. Okay, then I want to do the This Week sticker, and I'm going to kind of try to follow along with what I do with my other kits, just because I'm a creature of habit. Let's find these dots. I typically like to do like a top 3. This is how last week looked, but I do like to do like just the big 3. I really need to update all my trackers, but it's kind of what I've done for the last few weeks in here, just a few things and all of my trackers right below that. So I think that's what I want to do here as well. So yeah, actually today is Monday when I'm filming this, and I only have like maybe 2 more things to get, but they've already been ordered. So what I'm really just waiting on is for them to get here so that I can wrap them and put them under the tree. Gifts for family that are away. We did gift cards. That just made life a lot easier with like the plague kind of running through my house. So yeah, we had to just make it work the best way we knew how, you know. Okay, so I'm going to do the two trackers that are provided, and I think I'm going to put those at the bottom here. Actually, let's look at the washi because it's also cut different. Do I want it to go all the way across the bottom? I think I do. I think I do like that. So I know that I'm using a Once More with Love kit, but the Coffee Monsters Co. reopened this past weekend, and I love the way they release their stuff, because I got even from the release before that, I've been buying things like in the bundles, so like the monthly kits and things like that. I'm in a season of life where whatever's easiest, I would rather accommodate that, like budget-wise, if I can. So to me, it made more sense to buy things in bundles like that, and then not have to worry about it as the months come up, if that makes sense. Okay, so big things for this week is going to be finishing wrapping gifts and of course family time. We definitely want to go over our budget for the end of the month into next week. And that's all I can think of for now. I do want to put my sleep tracker that I put every single week. So I'll do a little arrow here. Grab my ruler and mark that off. I really enjoy trackers in general. So if there's anything that I can track or make a tracker for, I'm going to do it. And tracking my sleep has been very, very important lately. So we're gonna keep doing that. And the pen that I'm using is the Sarasa Grand, but it's got a 0.5 refill inside of it. Okay, had to switch out my battery and I finished filling out my sleep tracker, and my 2 habit trackers are gonna be for no soda and reading. Okay, so as far as this week for content, I'm going to do on Monday is my Hobonichi video. It's kind of like a, I don't want to say a hot take on the Hobonichi cousin, but just some thoughts now that I've been in it for several months. And then for this video, I think this video is actually going to be up on Thursday, just because I have a collab video that's going to go up on, oh, that's actually going to be on Monday. So this video may go up on Friday. I'm not entirely sure. Not entirely sure. We'll figure it out. I will say I wish that I had a few more of these. I think I might do Monday and Thursday. We will have to see. We will have to see. Okay, as far as events for this week, I have work all week. I've always tried to like figure out what would be the best way to mark that, because I don't have 5 or 4 work stickers. So I think I'm just going to do kind of a line across here. It always just depends on what kit I have, figuring out what I need there. I don't work Friday. That is a holiday for us, so that's awesome. And then I think I'll just put 7 to 4 since that's what I work every day. I know some people are like, I don't need to put my work hours in there. I know what hours I work. You know, you got to put down what you want to put down. All right, so on Monday, I have our HR holiday party, and that is actually via Zoom, and it's during the work hours, so I'm not entirely mad about that. And then after work, I need to go to the pharmacy to pick up some refills. Let's see, let's just use this little flag, maybe that will work. Kind of a big flag. It's taken up quite a bit of space. Okay, there's that. And then on Tuesday, I have one meeting at 10, and that's kind of it for Tuesday. Then Wednesday evening, Kayla and I are going to get mani-pedis, I think, is what we decided, Wednesday afternoon. Actually just had to look at my phone and see what time we were doing that at. That's exciting because I know that we wanted to do like one sort of like mother-daughter thing before the holidays, and you know, we were kind of like stuck at home with the boys all weekend. So that's what we're doing there. On Thursday evening, we actually have a holiday dinner with some friends. And that's going to be at 6:30 p.m. And I think that's going to be it for like the major socializing that we have to do for the holidays, at least, you know, as far as that's concerned. And then I think I want to put a little day off sticker for Friday. I have no major plans for Friday other than kind of just like cleaning up my house and kind of going through like our fridge, pantry, all that stuff, making sure that we have everything for the entire holiday weekend, because I do not plan on going to the grocery store on Sunday like I normally have planned. So I want to make sure that we're like completely set up. So if I go to the grocery store, it's going to be super, super early. I'm going to grab probably one of my Coffee Monsters Co. grocery shopping stickers. These are like the cutest stickers. I've been trying to use up the bigger ones. I don't know why, but I feel like if I have this space, then that's what I'll do. And I'm gonna go ahead and use the pink. And I'm probably gonna leave some space because it's also trash day. That is very crooked. And it is actually trash and recycle at the same time. So that's kind of fun. I'll just kind of layer these two, I think. I feel like that's too many. It's too much in one spot. Might have to save that for like my daily spread. All right, and then on Christmas Eve, that's when we're gonna do like our big Christmas Eve dinner. You guys will have to let me know when you guys do yours. If you celebrate Christmas, do you have like your dinner on Christmas Day or Christmas Eve? We are Christmas Eve people. That is also very crooked. So now that I've got like the big things down, and obviously that's Christmas Day, I want to use these script stickers first because I feel like they take up such a large amount of space. So I'm going to do the Merry and Bright, probably right here. And then the 'Tis the Season, maybe right here. And that'll give me a couple more left over that I could use in my daily planner, because now I'm just going to fill it with the decorative boxes. And I feel like this is a good one for Christmas Eve, like the presents or the, I don't know, the little emoji by the fire. Not 100% sure. It looks good. I'm gonna do this one on Tuesday. We'll do this one for Christmas Day. I'm sure there's gonna be more. Like I was thinking of putting like whatever movies we watch. We like love to watch movies on Christmas Day. Just like stay in our pajamas, all of that fun stuff. Not do anything major. We don't live near family, so it's not like we'll be going from house to house. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Kind of want to put this right in the middle here, but that would go over his head. Ah, so many options. Let's just put this one here on Friday. And then I don't have room for either one of these, and that's okay. It could go here. It could go there. Let's just go ahead and do it. We're gonna find a way to put these stickers pretty much everywhere. There we go. I actually like the way that that looks. I love that. Okay, so far that is what this week is looking like. Typically what I will do in my Hobonichi Cousin is I will add like some to-dos or any like additional events. Like say we go to Starbucks, we'll add that in here, or if we go to pick up dinner, we'll do that here. I'll list like if I'm working on any projects or anything like that. That kind of stuff gets added in after, but this is a good start for how this week looks. And this is a really cute kit from Once More with Love. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you were already subscribed, make sure you click that notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.